Hello friends! In this video I'm going to share an amazing trading strategy with you. A strategy that I have personally used for a long time and have managed to achieve great profits from. This strategy combines two free indicators on TradingView, one designed to identify market trends and the other to find the best entry points. Most importantly, this strategy is simple, accurate, and very profitable. If you also want to look at the market like a professional trader and have successful trades, don't miss this video. Let's get started. First of all, go to TradingView, select your symbol, and then set your time frame to 5 minutes. You can also choose the 15-minute time frame. I will currently teach you using the 5-minute time frame, and at the end of the video, I will show examples from the 15-minute time frame as well. Now, just go to the Indicators tab and type Target Trend Indicator. Once you find it, simply click on it to add it to your chart. After that, you need to go into its settings and make some changes. Now we need to know how to use it. This indicator gives us buy and sell signals. In places where you see orange signals, you can enter a sell trade and make a profit. And in places where you see blue or green signals, you can enter buy trades and achieve good profits. Now we need to add another indicator to our chart to increase our win rate. Go to the Indicators tab and type Ultimate Bands. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. After that, we go into its settings and make some adjustments. So now, after all these settings, how do we use this indicator? We call these areas as clouds and name this middle line as the mid-plot line. When these clouds are red and below this line, we consider the trend to be bearish and should look for sell signals at this point. Conversely, when these clouds are green and above the white line, we realize that we are in a bullish trend and should look for buy signals at these points. Now we need to learn where to consider the entry point and where to set our take profit and stop loss levels. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you have enjoyed it so far. Now let's move on to the buy order. First of all, we need to see a buy signal on the chart. After that, we must ensure that we are in an uptrend and we should be able to see the green clouds positioned above the mid-plot line. If you see these two conditions met, it means you have found a suitable entry point. Now you need to set a stop loss for your trade. To do this, simply find the last swing low and set your stop loss a little below that. Now you can confidently enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now wait for the trade to close with a profit. For the sell order, you should first look for a sell signal. After that, make sure that you are in a downtrend and that you can see the red clouds positioned below the mid-plot line. When these two conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point. Now we just need to set a stop loss for our trade. For this, find the last swing high and place your stop loss a little above that. Now we enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. Well, if you still haven't learned it, that's okay. As I mentioned, let's change the time frame and switch to 15 minutes. Here, I will give you another example. For instance, here we can see another sell signal. Now let's make sure that the clouds are red at this point. Now that everything is correct, we enter the sell trade and set our stop loss and take profit levels. Then wait for our trade to close. Let's also provide an example for a buy trade again. Here we found a buy signal and see that the clouds are green. So we enter the buy trade and set our stop loss and take profit levels. Then wait for our trade to close with either a profit or a loss. Well, now that you have fully learned the strategy and know how to execute successful trades with it, the only thing left is for you to try it out in the market yourself. This strategy, like any other tool, requires practice to achieve the best results. Remember to always adhere to money and risk management. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. I read each one and will respond. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right now, because in upcoming videos, I'm going to teach you more advanced tips and strategies that you won't want to miss. Until the next video, wish you success and profitability.